Hello student, welcome back to nice math Olympiad problem. X minus 5 under the root plus x plus 5 under the root is equal to 10. We are finding value of x minus 5 plus x plus 5. Now we're taking square root on both sides is equal to 10 square. Now after this we are using this formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now under the root x minus 5 whole square plus 2 into under root x minus 5 into x plus 5 under the root plus under the root x plus 5 whole square is equal to 100. Now this will be x minus 5 because of this square cut by this plus this 2 and under the root x minus 5 into x plus 5 plus x plus 5. This cut by this is equal to 100. In next step, 2x plus 2 under the root x minus 5 into x plus 5, and this will be x square minus 5 square is equal to 100. This x into x square. Now 7 5 plus 6 7 7 minus 5 is 2. Now this will be 2x plus 2 under the root x square minus 25. 5 square is also 25 is equal to 100. And next step, this will be, we write 2 common, 2 into x plus under the root of x square minus 25 is equal to 100. Now this 2 into x plus under the root of x square minus 25 is equal to 100. And now we solving this 2 into x plus under the root of x square minus 25 is equal to 100. Now we are dividing both sides by 2, this side by 2. Now we cut this 2, this 2 cut by this 2, and this will be x plus under the root of x square minus 25 remain this side, and this side this will be x, this 2 cut by 50 is equal to 50. Now under the root of x square minus 25 is equal to 50, and this will be x square minus 25 is equal to this x move into this side, 50 minus x. When this move into this side is it change signs positive to negative, and now we're taking square again both side. Under the root x square minus 25 whole square is equal to 50 minus x whole square, this 2 cut by this, and this will be x square minus 25 is equal to 50 square. Now this will be minus 2 into 50 minus 100x. Now this x square cut by this x square. Now in this 2 into 50 into this x plus x square. This x square cut by this x square and remain only x, and this will be minus 25 is equal to 550 square is 2500, and this will be minus, and 2 into 50 is 100, and this x into 100x. Next step, this will be 100x move into this side. 100x is equal to 2500 plus 25, and now x is equal to 2500 plus 25 divided by 100. Now x is equal to 2500 plus 25 is also equal to 2525 divided by 100, and it is also equal to x, and x is equal to this divided by this. After dividing, we get 25.25. This is our final answer to solve this mathematical problem. Hope you will understand. This is very simple and tricky method to solve this Olympic problem, and in this question our value of x is equal to 25 into 25. Goodbye.